Patients come to me saying that I have clicking sounds coming from my neck or from the knee or from the ankle or sometimes even the back. And they are worried about it, thinking it is abnormal. There are two types I will say. One, the clicking or a popping sound which doesn't have pain is a normal thing. You don't have to worry about it. But once you have a clicking or a popping sound which is associated with pain, I think that is when you need to worry, because it could be an arthritis, it could be a ligament injury, it could be a entrapment of some of the ligaments.